In this video, I show you how to fix call not sent error problem on Android phone. For solving this, go to Play Store, search for phone app, tap on phone app, update your phone app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps, then tap on three dot, tap on show system app. Now search for phone app, tap on phone app, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, delete. Now open phone app. Now call someone. Now I hope this method fix call not sent error problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Kite.